Hi, my name is Kaz, the sole developer of this project. The goal of Helico is to use OST's blockchain technology to help companies with their supply chain problems, like counterfeit items, logistic data management, and transparency. The basic concept is that a company and its partners are able to deposit tokens into items, thus creating an immutable history for each product and allowing different use cases with the help of this data. This demo will be focusing on the vaccine supply chain. The thing about vaccines is that they have to be kept in a cold environment until they're used, or else they may lose their potency, which may cause harmful side effects and sometimes can even be lethal. Another cause of concern is that there might be also a manufacturer defect. The whole supply chain might be disrupted because of one component in the supply chain not working properly. To solve this situation, we need the history data of where the faulty batch of vaccines were in the supply chain to narrow our search. Traditionally, this takes a long time, but using this concept with blockchain technology makes it a lot more easier. To make this demo as simple as possible, we'll be only applying 3 components to our supply chain, that is, manufacturing, transportation, and administration or storage. Okay, now let's go to the UI. On the left, you have your products, and on your right, you get your details and ways to make transactions. Now, if you click on any product, you get its QR code that represents the ID and the transactions. But for this demo, I already made a product. As you can see, it has no transactions at the moment. We'll be doing that right now. Now, let's make the first transaction because this page represents the company's interface. Let me copy this comment, paste it there. Now, this action represents the manufacturer stage. Pick the ID, and then let's see if the transaction happens. Let's go to our back end. Okay. Now, we made the first transaction. Now, the second and the third are done by the company's employees or their partners. Now, this page represents the users that are either employees or partners. They have their specific ID and name, and when you click on it, you can see their balance and all the transactions they've done. Here's the backend log of the ledger and balance APIs. Let's go back now. Let's make the second and the third transaction, which would be for transportation and administration or storage. Let me copy that comment down. Okay, now I have a camera module, but since I don't have a webcam, I'll be just using it like this. But it works with the camera though. Okay. Now I'll just use third-party 5, the username, and click submit. Let's check our back end. And okay, it's a success. Now let's make our third and last transaction. Let me change the comment. Okay. Change the action ID and click submit. Let's go to our back end. Okay, there we go. Now, let's go to our company's interface and check the transactions and see if they're stored in the product. Oh wait, let me first check OST view. Okay, Let me refresh that. Okay, as you can see, the transactions show up on OST view. Now, let's go check our vaccine demo 1. Okay, as you can see, the transactions with the ID